Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. Today, I am going to discuss why you should avoid using Weebly for your website. While it may seem like an easy option, there are significant limitations that could hold your site back. I will also recommend two better alternatives. Weebly's design flexibility is quite limited. The platform offers a handful of templates, but customization options are minimal, making it difficult to create a unique and modern website. Weebly's SEO capabilities are basic at best. The platform lacks advanced SEO tools which can hurt your site's visibility on search engines. For businesses, this can mean missing out on potential customers. So another major drawback is Weebly's performance. Sites built on Weebly often suffer from slow loading times and poor responsiveness, especially on mobile devices, which can negatively impact user experience. Instead of Weebly, consider using WordPress. WordPress offers extensive design flexibility, a wide range of plugins for enhanced functionality, and excellent SEO tools. It is ideal for creating a professional and scalable website. So another great alternative is Squarespace. Squarespace provides beautiful customizable templates, robust SEO features, and reliable performance. It's perfect for creatives and small businesses looking for a polished online presence. Now, in conclusion, while Weebly might seem convenient, its limitations make it a less than ideal choice for building a website. WordPress and Squarespace offer far more in terms of design, SEO, and performance. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.